Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in curry dishes, has gained attention for its potential health benefits, including its effects on arthritis. Here are some of the key benefits of turmeric for arthritis. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a key role in arthritis, contributing to pain and swelling in the joints. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation, thereby alleviating arthritis symptoms. Pain relief. Turmeric may help relieve pain associated with arthritis. Studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit certain enzymes and proteins involved in the perception of pain. By reducing pain signals in the body, turmeric may provide relief for arthritis-related discomfort. Joint health support. Turmeric may support overall joint health. It has been suggested that curcumin can help protect joint tissues from damage and degradation, potentially slowing the progression of arthritis. Improved mobility. Arthritis can restrict joint movement and mobility. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties may help improve joint flexibility and mobility, allowing individuals with arthritis to move more comfortably. Antioxidant activity. Curcumin exhibits antioxidant activity, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are associated with arthritis. By reducing oxidative stress, turmeric may help mitigate arthritis symptoms. Potential synergies. Some research suggests that turmeric may enhance the effectiveness of conventional arthritis treatments when used in combination with them. It may complement existing therapies by providing additional anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. While turmeric shows promise as a natural remedy for arthritis, it's essential to note that more research is needed to fully understand its efficacy and optimal dosage. Additionally, individual responses to turmeric can vary, and it may not work for everyone. People with arthritis should consult with their healthcare provider before using turmeric supplements, especially if they are taking medications or have underlying health conditions.